our R&D team is currently working hard on 3D GS interaction features. So I printed another model myself to show you guys. The color printing materials still haven't been approved yet, so for now we can only keep printing black models. If this video gets over 500 likes, I'll go ask my boss to approve the color materials. This time, I wanted to try something harder, a realistic human portrait model. Human portraits are very detailed sensitive. If the facial features deform even a little, it becomes very obvious. Mugen 3D's in-house algorithm first estimates a mesh model from the 3DGS result, then applies automatic model optimization, and finally moves into the printing stage. In the future, we hope you'll only need to upload one photo, without any manual rework, and get a finished 3D printed model. One clear improvement this time is that no secondary editing was needed. The overall shape is more stable. After printing, the key facial structures are still visible. It didn't completely turn into a blur. This is also one of Mugen 3D's advantages. It doesn't only focus on the rendering effect on screen, it also tries to make the generated result preserve a more stable 3D structure. So when it comes to printing, the key structures are more likely to remain. Of course, there is still room for improvement. The facial details are still not clear enough. The hair texture hasn't fully come out yet, but it has already improved compared with the last episode. Drop your thoughts below. Experts, any advice is welcome. See you next time.